If your team struggles with messy documentation across tools like Google Docs, Notion, or Slack threads, Outline is designed to fix that. In this video, we are reviewing Outline, a modern knowledge base and wiki platform built for teams. What is Outline? Outline is an open source team wiki tool that helps you create, organize, and share company knowledge in one central place. Think of it as a lightweight alternative to Notion or Confluence, but focused purely on documentation and collaboration. It can be used for internal company docs, product documentation, onboarding guides, knowledge sharing between teams. Key features. One of Outline's strongest points is its clean and fast editor. It supports Markdown, so writing feels simple and structured. You also get real-time collaboration for teams, powerful search to find docs quickly, Slack integration for notifications and updates, role-based permissions to control access, self-hosting options for full data control, cloud hosting for easier setup. The interface is minimal, so you are not distracted by unnecessary features. Pros. Outline stands out because it's fast and lightweight, open source and customizable, great for structured team documentation, easy onboarding for new users. Cons. However, it's not perfect. Limited compared to all-in-one tools like Notion, requires setup if you choose self-hosting, not ideal for heavy project management. Pricing. Outline offers both cloud plans and self-hosted options, making it flexible for startups and larger teams depending on their needs. Final verdict. So is Outline worth it? Yes, if your main goal is simple, fast, and focused team wiki. But if you want an all-in-one workspace with databases, tasks, and complex workflows, you might find it too limited. If you found this review helpful, consider subscribing for more software breakdowns and comparisons, and please support us with like, comment, share, and see you in the new video.